Good afternoon. This is John, your professional Fusion Firearms hand model. Today we're going to be assembling the mag extenders for the Glock 17 mags. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to take your mag. You got to get the base plate off it, the old base plate. And I usually use just a Phillips head screwdriver that'll fit in that hole. And you got to use a little bit of pressure and it should pop right out. Pop that off. You're going to keep that extra plate for your magazine, and you're going to take out the spring. Now from here on the spring, note the way it's located inside the follower. You're going to pop that out, take the new extended spring, pop that on the inside, and you may need a small screwdriver, and you're going to pop that edge back in there so it snaps in place. And it should be nice and secure. Set that aside for a second. Grab your mag extender. We carry them in 5 different colors: blue, red, gold, silver, and black. Today we're going to be putting on a silver with the black base because I think that looks cool. So now you just take your extender. You're going to look for the threaded hole portion. That's going to be up top. You're going to attach it to the bottom portion that's not going to have the threads in it. You're going to slide it in there, and it's going to hit that keeper little detent, and you're going to push that right over top, and it should go. If it doesn't go, you can take your hammer and tap on it lightly, and it should pop it right over that detent. From there, you're going to take the lock screw, put that down through the hole. It's going to be a small screwdriver, and you're going to screw that down. You're going to screw it all the way through. If it's on the outside of the mag, which I'll show you in a second, then you did it right. If it's on the inside of the mag, then you didn't do it right. It should be right on the outside of that mag, and that's going to hold that extender in place. From there, we're going to reinstall our spring, put that back in, all the way down, and then you're going to put the keeper back inside, put a little bit of downward pressure on there. Then you're going to take the base plate, the back plate, and you're going to slide it forward. Now sometimes these might be a little bit tight. You can just take this and tap it all the way down through. Remember, when you get to the little detent on the inside spring plate, you're going to have to pop it down a little bit. Push it all the way forward, and like this one, it won't seat all the way. I just tap it a little bit, and it'll seat. From there, I take my tool and I just push that detent down a little bit, and it usually pops right back into place. So now you have a fully functional 17 round mag. Put your rounds in there, +5 all the way down to the bottom, and it really works great once you install it in your weapon and you start to hammer away at the target. Thank you.